Hello, 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 hello. We're back. We're teaching 1.8 today. Just to let you know, at the end of every lesson, you're going to have a problem-solving lesson. It's just how they are. Some of them are better than others. Like I said, Go Math loves story problems. So that is what we're dealing with here. Let's read this. We're just going to go through, as you can see here, we're going to go through a few story problems just so they kind of get the idea of what's expected. And we'll go from here. So, a hot air balloon festival draws large crowds of people. The attendance on the first day of the festival was 17,350. Make your kids underline. Kids, you're listening, you gotta underline, you gotta circle, you gotta do something. On the second day, the attendance was, and we'll use a different color so we see the difference, 18,925. How many more people attended the hot air balloon on the second day? Now our key word is this phrase right there. How many more will always mean I subtract every time. Okay? Every time. So the students, I gave them a piece of paper, a sheet at the first of the year that gives these type of keywords like how many more and whatnot. Have them use that if they're struggling with story problems. Now with this lesson, they are going to want them to make these boxes so they can picture this. And so I would write, this is a verse, is that the first? First, yeah. No, I'm wrong. Sorry. See, even teachers make mistakes. So this is the second day, and this is the first day. Because on the first day there was I'm all over the place. On the second day, there was 18,925. On the first day, we had this 17,350. And wants to know how many more. So I need to know this little spot there. So we do that. We're going to subtract 18,925 minus 17,000. Sorry, forgot the zero there. 350. So let's minus that out. 5 minus, that is a 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. I can't take 2 from 5. Your top number has to be bigger. So I got to come over here and regroup or borrow and make that a 12. So now 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. So my answer is 1,575 people. Let's look at our next one. During an event, a hot air balloon traveled a distance of 5,110 feet during the first trip. And, sorry, that was my phone. 800 feet more during the second trip. How far did it travel during the second trip? So on this one, for the little picture, okay, on the first trip, it went 5,110. Okay, on the first. So this was the first trip. It wants to know how much further did it go on the second trip, or how far did it go on the second trip. I need to know what this missing piece is, okay? Because I need to know total how far it went. So I'm going to put a little 850 right there. Now on this one, this be how more I need to add. So 5110 plus 850 is 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 5 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this number then becomes 5,060. That's how much they did on the second trip. I had to add these two numbers to figure that one out. Okay, the next one. A hot air balloon are able to fly at a very high altitude. A world record height of 64,997 feet was set in 1988. In 2005, it was 68,986 feet was said. How many feet higher was 2005 than 98? How many feet higher? So we've got to subtract. And they filled out the boxes here for you. What they're trying to find is this little piece right there. So if I won't make them fill them out on every problem. I like to see them do it at least once. But if you're wondering how to do that, or if it helps your kids, refer back to this. So once they minused it out, 6 minus 7 I can't do, so I got to borrow from that 8, make it a 7. Make that a 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 7 minus 9 I can't do. So we borrow, make that an 8, make that a 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 8 minus 9 I can't do, so I make that a 7. Make that an 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 7 minus 4 is... Whoa. I'm like way all over the place. Yeah, 7 minus 4. Is 3. And somehow that's 0. Okay. Sorry, I should have lined it up better to do the subtraction. Just know that in this problem, you are looking, if your kids really need help, have them look at that worksheet. Okay, it gives keywords to find in story problems. This is lesson 1.8. I know it wasn't perfect, but I hope it really helps. This is Mr. Ralph signing off for today. Join me next time as we go into Unit 2. Woohoo! Adios.